So it never really happened before. It's my first time, so I want to make it really very special. So I want to document it for you guys. I'm so glad that this thing happened. It's for an experience though. The capacity of these aircraft is actually 24 in the business class and 388 seats at the back, with a maximum crew of I think 16, if I'm not mistaken. And yes, we are going to make a tour now. We have 4 galleys in this aircraft because it's really very long. You will see later. This is the aft galley. So I'm gonna make a tour from the aft to the front, or aft to forward. And maybe you also have a toilet here. There you go. So this is our economy seats, or economy cabin. So you will see it's a very long cabin, guys. That's another jump seat, and that one is another jump seat. This is right hand side. As you can see, I'm on the right hand side making a tour. This is another galley in the middle. We call it R4 galley. This is so big. Look at that. There you go. And by the way, the lights are turned off, so you will be able to see a very clear video, but I hope you guys still appreciate it. So this is the galley. That's the coffee makers. This is the hot cup. We call it hot cup. We can heat whatever liquid we want to heat here. Let's say feeding a bottle for the babies. And this is the warming compartment. We can heat the bread from here. This one is for the ice, but this one is empty for now. So there's no catering here, guys, but if there is any passenger, we normally load everything in here. So these are all ovens. There you go. So nothing is in there, but normally there's like racks in here, and we can heat it as long as we want. There you go. So we have around 1, 2, 3, 4 ovens here, and then another oven here, and these are all fridge. So this is another fridge and another fridge. And normally these are also full with containers, but now we don't have. This is another coffee maker, and this is for hot water. This is also another ice drawer, and this one is another warming compartment for the bread. Those compartments in there, there's another one. Those are for containers and meal carts, and another one on this side. There you go. Let's go to the cabin again. So this is another cabin. Like I said, it's a very long cabin, guys. There you go. And this is in normal operations. This one is normally on with the map, or whatever it is that we are advertising. It's usually on, but now it's off because we don't have any passengers. So there's another jump seat in there. That's R3, and that is L3 jump seat. And we have another toilet in here, and another one in here. Alright, so from here we're gonna go take the left hand side so that you guys can see the full view. Right, so we have the full capacity. That's the overhead. So we're going towards the business class now, but I'm not gonna make any noise in the business class because I have one crew and another engineer in there, so I don't want to disturb them. So this is another economy lavatory, and another one here. you can change, for mothers, you can change the diapers here for the babies. And another one. Here's another galley. This is what we call L2 galley. That's the third galley that I'm showing you guys. And this one is also quite big. And this is also an economy galley. So we have one fridge in here. This one is the oven. That's the boiler. This one's two compartments with there's nothing in there. Those are ice drawers. And in there we have another one. We, by the way, have a microwave. There you go. We heat all our food very quick from there. Normally the business class would heat from there. So those are all our ovens as well. And these are compartments. This one is what we call a trash compactor, where we compact all our trash